sutra, beautiful Narada Bhakti Sutra. Sa Tvasmin Para Prema Rupa. Let me give the translation. That verily is the nature of supreme love of God. He says, supreme love you have, if it is turned towards God, that is called bhakti. All of you have supreme love for what you think as you. If you think you are the body, you will have the supreme love for the body. If you think you are your identity, you will have the supreme love for that identity. Whatever you think as you will have supreme love for it. Directing that towards the consciousness which continuously excites you is bhakti. When I say God, do not think something somewhere in far. No. The energy which gives you constant excitement, inspiration is God. If you can direct your supreme love towards that consciousness, you are God. You are experiencing God. You are in the devotion. How to direct yourself to that super consciousness, to that intense, exciting energy? So yesterday I was telling you, just remember whatever is happening is auspicious. It may, sometime when you remember, you may think, what nonsensical idea it is. How can I believe whatever is happening is auspicious? But when you are in depression, when you are in really some trouble, if you remember this idea, suddenly you will see, yes, I think even this suffering which I am going through has some meaning for me. See, now your suffering is imaginary. You cannot conquer it. When you are really going through a, if you use this idea as an astra, using Shastra as a Sastra. Sastra means weapon. Shastra means knowledge, the truth. Use this Shastra, knowledge, as Sastra, weapon, to attack your suffering. Suddenly you will see, yes, this has got something to teach me. This is adding something to me. I am expanding. Yes, this has some meaning in my life. Understand? The same concept. Now I am saying whatever is happening is. Now it may not make big sense if you sit and imagine, if my close, near and dear one dies, will I be able to remember this concept and come out of that suffering? If you imagine now, you can't. Your mind will say, no, 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 I can't handle all those things. Don't imagine now. When really some suffering happens, when it is not imaginary, when it is real, use this weapon, use this idea. You will see it's working. It is working. Any idea which clicks during the real suffering and relieves you from the suffering, this idea is initiation. Understand? You received some idea from a master and it really clicks when you are facing a suffering. No initiation will click through imagination. That's an important thing you need to understand. If you are sitting now itself and thinking, if a landslide happens, I am caught in that. How can that be auspicious? It's imaginary. You can't answer. But when it is happening, this very idea start use. You will see everything is teaching. And I tell you, even death, when it is happening, just bring this idea to your being. Yes, it must be doing something good to me. You will see you will realize the truth that you are expanding. You are just developing yourself. You are updating yourself. See, this body has become old, tired, and this mind also lot of guilt. The unforgettable sufferings have become too much. The miseries and sufferings which you can't forget has become too much. So naturally you decide, let me throw this away and get new system. Let me get a new hardware and new software to start working. See, your hardware also become tired by using Damal.